Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to add clickable links in Instagram Reels. First, open up the Instagram app. There's no such way to add clickable links in Reels. So what we're gonna do is, once you get into the app, click on your story icon from the top left corner. Then tap to upload the photo from the gallery. After adding the photo as your story, click on the sticker icon from the top bar. Then search here for links. Now choose the link sticker which says the link in bio from here and place it on your story. And then tap on the share button and click on done. After that, your story will be posted. Now tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then click to edit profile from here. After that, tap on the links option from here. Now paste the URL of your YouTube account in here. Then people will find this link in your bio and use it from here. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.